What's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. We have a absolutely stunning McLaren 720S Performance. Just to start this video off, obviously full satin, gorgeous black wrap. The color underneath this is Paris Blue, which is this car right here. We also know this car very, very well, as we sold it while it was Paris Blue to the previous owner, very good client of ours. So we'll show you all the pictures in the listing of how this vehicle was. We'll even include the video as well if you want to take a look at it. So it did have PPF on the car prior to the wrap as well. The wrap was just recently done. Car is absolutely stunning. Authentic BBS wheels and brand new Michelin tires just installed. All new suspension just installed as well. Car is equipped with a brand new set of Rift downpipes, Rift titanium exhausts. Just got an M Engineering tune maybe a month ago. Car dynoed at 864 to the wheels. Two tunes, both running 93 octane, one with a pop, one without. Obviously carbon absolutely everywhere. Does have a carbon hood as well underneath the wrap. Carbon vented fenders, headlight surroundings. And check out those BBS wheels. Absolutely perfect match for this car. Car does have 360 camera as well. Left the inserts in carbon, which was a nice touch. Nice gloss black barrel on the wheel with more of a satin finish face. Factory carbon handle, factory carbon bridge, factory ducts, factory engine cover, carbon. Carbon rear bumper and diffuser. There's your Rift exhaust. You also have a carbon roof, which I'll show you here in a moment. Michelin Pilot Sport. Tires are literally brand new, just installed. Scoop is finished in carbon as well, but it was wrapped in a gloss black. Door struts are absolutely perfect as well. Carbon exposed chassis. Same thing up here. And obviously with that option, you have it on the inner pillars from the factory. Very nice option. Tons of Alcantara. Obviously the leather throughout with the calipers, center caps of the BBS just ties everything in perfectly. Yellow belts. Interior is perfect. Have the luggage strap as well with yellow contrast stitching, 360 camera, upgraded sound, beautiful carbon sills, full carbon interior. You got carbon on the doors as well. You have the carbon bezels around the window buttons. Soft shut doors. Carbon shift paddles. Power seats as well as heated seats. Once again, exposed carbon. Right at 18.5, I believe, on the miles. Another thing too is this car has go over here and get the keys. We have both keys for the car, which is very nice. If you don't, I mean, these keys, between the keys and the program, it can run you almost up to $2,000. Also, obviously, the interior LED, which is typically with the performance package, but very nice at night, the way it illuminates the cab. Books, manuals, fresh M engineering port as well in here. Very simple, clean tunes. You have two of them. Also, as I mentioned, both keys fully functional. Beautiful backside carbon on the hood as well. High gloss finish on both sides. low RPM reps too. That's because we're literally right next to the wall. $18,508 on the miles. Beautiful, beautiful 720. Just so you guys know, we are obviously on the Pop and Bang map. We will get a tire pressure. It's cold here in Virginia, so it did dip down a little bit. So if you hear a ding, it's just a warning for the tire pressure monitor system. But as you see, they all function and the temp. With the M-Engineer tune, the different maps you can access. Car just has to be in neutral. You can actually be driving, but you can just throw it in neutral, hit the bottom stalk N, and then the RPM 1 and 2 will be the different ones. They both run on 93, one's with a pop, one's without. We do have the dynos, as mentioned in the earlier part of the video, right around 860 and change to the wheels. Brand new sold down pipes, brand new turbo inlets, Rift titanium exhaust. Car pulls incredibly hard. sound absolutely amazing. If you've never driven a 720, I think it's probably the best handling car under, I mean, I was going to say under 500, but I don't know what car. I mean, GT3 RS handles well, obviously, but they have no power. Any RPM, any throttle pressure, these cars just pull very hard. You own one of these, you cannot own a V10 or V12 natural aspirated car again as far as performance goes. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Car drives literally flawlessly. What are we at? 85 on the highway, tracking completely straight. Beautiful car. If you have any questions, 855-955-3377. Thank you.